number game. So here we go. I spy with my little eye some red fruit. How many red fruit are they? Can you spot the red fruit and then count the red fruit? I can spy 1, 2, 3, 4 apples, and I can see some tomatoes too. How many tomatoes are there? Have a quick count of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you remember in the last video we talked about patterns? So I can see a 4 there and I can see a 4 there. And I know that 4 and 4 is 8. Well done if you did that one. Here we go. I spy 2 girls building a fabulous sandcastle. Look at their brilliant sandcastle. How many sandcastles have they built? This is tricky. You've got to count them carefully. Some are hiding behind others. Have a quick go at counting them. So I can see my 4 and 4 again. There's my group of 4 and there's my group of 4. And I know that 4 and 4 is 8. So I need to count on the others. 8, 9, 10, 11, those sneaky sandcastles behind. I spy with my little eye flowers in a bush. How many flowers can you see? Have a count of them. And I can see a pattern here too because I've got a 3 and a 2. And I know that 3 and 2 makes 5, so I can see a pattern there as well. Some of you may not have needed to count them all. You just knew it was 5 by looking at the pattern. Here we go. I spy with my little eye robins in a tree. How many robins can you spot in the tree? Have a look. Did you spot the pattern of 5 there again? 3 and a 2 makes 5. Did you see the one that's flown away though? So we know that 5 and 1 more is 6. Well done. I spy with my little eye Russian dolls on the shelf. Can you point to the smallest Russian doll that's on the shelf? And can you point to the biggest Russian doll that's on the shelf? And how many Russian dolls have we got on the shelf? We'll count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're not really in a pattern. They're just lined up ready for counting. I spy with my little eye a classroom just like ours. How many tubs of Play-Doh can you see? That's easy, isn't it? Because there's just one on each table. 1, 2, 3. And there's 3 tables. I spy with my little eye fabulous garden scene. I expect you've done a lot of this in the lovely weather we've been having. But how many sausages can you see on the barbecue? And we can see those quite easily too, can't we? Because there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're kind of in a pattern of 4. I can actually see a 3 together there and a 1 on its own. Well done. Some brilliant counting there. Excellent.